Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu and the Crew. I'm so happy to have you all here today. Today we're here to check out what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. I'm sorry there was not a video on Friday. We had that ice storm, and then on Tuesday I was not feeling well, so I apologize. But I'm here now, so let's go shopping. We're going to check out what's new in apparel and accessories. They had more of these eyeglass cords. These have these really pretty emerald and gold, which is so pretty on the chain, these little gemstones. I thought those were absolutely gorgeous. And they had some with these cute little stars and the pearls. Those are in the gold as well. They had these pearlized little heart shapes and the ovals. They kind of look like seashells. They had a bunch of those. There's also these new copper care, help soothe an like achy muscle and pain for the elbow. For the arts and crafts this week, they had out these cutting mats. These always sell really quickly. I love how they have the angles you can cut with. The 9-piece craft box, great for beads. Also diamond dot crafting. These are great to hold all those little beads and diamond dots. They've got these extra large Main Street decals. They are double-sided with these very realistic looking flowers. They're so pretty. I love the blue ones here. I think those are just absolutely gorgeous. With the gold, again, they're double-sided. They also had these succulents in all different sizes. And then there are these darker like orange and wine colored flowers. Lots of little pinks and corals kind of mixed in throughout there. And they have the sheet with the extra large kind of palm leaves on there. These are the bows. Now, last time they had the bows out, they also had some colorful bows. These are just the black, silver, and white ones that I've seen. We've got more of these 3D wooden DIY pieces out. If you guys haven't seen that craft I did with these recently, I did a resin craft. They turned out so cute. I highly suggest you go watch that video. I'll pin it at the end of this video so you guys can see that. We've also got these crafters wear canvas pads. You get 10 pieces of canvas and the 2-pack of the ceramic tiles that you can DIY. They're basically like coasters. They have the round and the square. The baby, toddler, children's section, they had these whole dish sets out for the little ones. There's a bowl, a plate, and 2 different cups. There's like a cup and a water bottle. They had the bluey with the yellow. I love the plates because they're the deeper sides, and these are by the Zach brand. They also had the Disney Princess. They had this new Stitch version and Spidey Amazing Friends. You can get the water bottles, cups, everything. Then there were these two-piece bath towel washcloth sets, and I saw these over by the plus section. When I rang up the price, though, I was really surprised, you guys. They're ringing up $1.50. So if you guys have these, make sure you check them out. Looks can be deceiving. They look like they're in the plus section, but they are ringing up for $1.50. Then for the health and beauty section, we'll first start out with the new cosmetics, and then we'll do the hair care, hair accessory style items, and then the pharmacy and personal care. We have more of the Be Pure Chrome nail powder with the applicator. They had that in the blue, the purple, and the gold. Some of the stores also have a rose gold, though I did not see that one at the moment. The Marie Claire eyebrow and hairline powder for medium to dark. That's been restocked. It's a matte and lightweight powder. They also had the Marie Claire setting powder with the flawless finish and the eyelash and brow serum, which seems to go really quickly. It's a clear serum. It's supposed to help your brows and lashes. Then we've got the liquid blush. I only saw that at the moment in the light pink. They have these gorgeous new headbands, hair clips, and scrunchies in this gorgeous like rose pink color with the little bows and satin. So cute. I love the headband. This is the scrunchie with the lace on the outside. Absolutely gorgeous. So cute. I think it would make a great little gift for Valentine's Day, especially with these little barrettes that come in a 2-pack. Has the pearl heart in the middle with the bow. So cute, the whole set. They also had the Sophie brand with the little English tea roses, which is so pretty, and that sheer satin tulle. Then we've got some new claw clips. These are like the mirrored effect in the gold. They also had these exact same ones in silver. And so they have like a metal kind of feel to them. I think they're plastic, but they feel pretty heavy. Then we've got the instant soap. You just add water. It has the carabiner on the side, so you can clip it to your purse. We've got the coconut scented and the fresh linen scent. And you get 20 sheets in each of these little carrying containers. They had these new Duru Hydro Pure Micellar Water soap. They also had the aloe vera. It's 10 times the moisture, gentle cleansing. And you can get the jasmine and rose limited edition bars of soap. We've also got these 4-pack of shower steamers, their SpongeBob SquarePants, and the Ninja Turtles. They also had these new exfoliating body sponges by SpongeBob SquarePants. Has that satin ribbon to help hold on to it. There were 2 different SpongeBob exfoliating sponges, or you can get the Smurfs, and there were 2 different versions you could get, which is like a different print on the cloth that they put on the sponge. Then for the fun finds this week, we had these beaded bracelets. It says for 13 plus, they're $1.25. They're the Mardi Gras bracelets. What's neat about these is they all have different charms on them, which I thought was kind of fun. They had all the different charms. And then you've got the little separators between each of the colored beads for the Mardi Gras colors. And even the little charms have like glitter in them. Then we've got those micro games that they've been putting out recently. There was the Operation game and Yahtzee, like these extra little teeny tiny dice. I just thought they were kind of cute. Then for the home decor this week, they had some really pretty framed art. They have these really soft, pretty roses in the pink. This one says love is patient. You've got your cute little floral display. The Be Blessed with the sage green and the pink. There's also Family Blessed Home. And then we have the last one, which is this really pretty pink flower with little specks of gold throughout the center. And these are all about a 10 by 10, I want to say. They're a perfect square. We've also got these tabletop decor pieces. They're about an inch thick. There's 3 different crosses you could choose from. The natural, the black, and the white. They say hope, faith, and blessed. Has a little bead and the tassel at the top. Here's what the back looks like, and then here's a view from the side, so you can see how thick they actually are. They're quite heavy. They've got some girth to them. They are really nice. And then for the home office library teaching tree section, I was able to find a bunch of January 2026 calendars by the Jot brand. These also have the little list pads at the bottom, so you can jot down little notes. I just took a picture of this one. There's a whole bunch of them out right now, but you guys get the idea. They have a bunch of calendars. There's also these daily planner pads. These were all in like very nice neutral tones. There's like a blue, gray, tan. There's some mauve, a little bit of like a cocoa color. And there were 3 different lists that you could choose from. I just love the color scheme that they have. There's also the weekly planners with all the different lists. It has the days of the week. There were a couple different ones. I love that it has the hanger at the top, so you can hang these up. And then you've got your different lists down the sides. For the housewares, maintenance, storage, and electronics, they had these new candle wax melts. There's Hershey S'mores, the York Peppermint Patties. You get 8 squares for each container. They also had the strawberry Twizzlers. And then the last one I found was the Mike and Ike Red Rageous Wax Melts. We've also got these new cleaning brushes. These will fit onto those like broom handles that they sell separately. It just screws into the bottom and it's flexible. It kind of moves back and forth. They got the 2-pack of the electrical tape and these nice large rolls. And then they had a whole bunch of 3-packs of these Bob Ross air fresheners. There was like sandalwood, a citrus scent. This one here was the mountain pine. And then they had one more, and that one was called Fresh Linen. That was the Happy Clouds. And you get 3 of those in each pack. For the kitchen and pantry section, they had the Tone Brothers. There's like the chicken winner, the beef chief seasoning. There's also taco night, and then the one that was called the Works. And these are the full size bottles that you get like at Walmart. There's also the hot honey and the pure honey restock. These 2 packs of the Annie's cups of mac and cheese. They're ringing up $1.25, which is a great buy. We've also got these glass food containers with the yellow or the blue lids. They had a bunch of those restocked, and I don't think I've seen the yellow ones before. Then look how cute these fridge magnets are. They had Stitch. You could also get SpongeBob. There was the Garfield magnetic clips. And then they also had Minnie Mouse. Those came in a 3-pack instead of the 2-pack. We have some coffee cups in the Disney characters. And then for the party supplies, they had in some of those same like buckets and things that they've been carrying lately with all the different characters, like the Ninja Turtles, there's SpongeBob. They also had the Smurfs and they had Garfield. I didn't see any of the Mickey, Minnie, or Stitch, and I didn't see any of the Winnie the Pooh, but I'm thinking they're out there. I'm not sure. They've been carrying a lot of these items lately. I'm actually compiling a whole video of all the different products that I found. I'm going to put it in one video for you guys. Then they had these extra large serving trays. They're a very heavy duty star. They had those in silver and in gold, like a serving platter for the pet care. More of the little character items. We've got the Nickelodeon food can covers. Those come in a 3-pack for just $1.25. They had the Paw Patrol in the blue. It has Chase. You could also get the Mandalorian. Has little Grogu on it. They also had the 3-pack of the SpongeBob. These are the food can covers for the pet food. They also had Darth Vader for the Star Wars. These are little squeaky toys for your pet. They had SpongeBob, and it's just a whole silicone rubbery style squeaky toy. They also had the Ninja Turtles. Those were the only 2 characters I saw for those. Then we've got the seasonal items, which is mostly spring items now. We've seen almost all of the Valentine's and St. Patrick's Day items as of yet. I haven't seen anything new, but they've got these stepping stones. A lot of these we saw last year. These are $1.50 now. They have some with the pets on them, like Home is Where the Dog Is, and The House is Blessed by Paws. That one has the little kitten on it. They have some that look like the large sunflowers with the butterflies. And then we've got different flowers like purple, the white and yellow. Some have little bumblebees. These are some garden stones. This one just says My Happy Place. There's Be Your Best with the honeycomb and the bumblebees. And then we've got the little jar of honey that says Be Happy. They also have Live, Love, Garden. And then Bless This Garden with the ladybug and flowers. We also have some fun little ceramic gnomes. They have one with the bee at the top, one holding a welcome sign with the mushroom hat. This one here has the welcome sign. It has a little blue jay. And then we've got the little grassy, mossy hat. And he's holding a mushroom. I love the little teapot house with the fairy garden. I thought that was so cute. Lots of little fairy garden houses. Some are new, some are repeats. We have the ones that look like little seashells. And then we've got the cottage, like the country cottage. These are painted all the way around. They're so well made. They have some that look like mushrooms that have the grassy tops. More of the little cottages. Some of them look like cement with like the little water wheel. They also have these large aluminum signs that you can put out in the garden. There's like honey and welcome with the mushrooms. And then for the toys, games, kind of entertainment, they had in these adorable little pink reindeer. I think they're for Valentine's Day. They also had the kind of spring colored pool noodles that are $1.50 now. And these little squishy characters. They had Mickey. They had some Frozen characters. Also, you could get Minnie Mouse. And the last one, of course, they have Spidey Amazing Friends. Also, we've got the plus section, which is anything that's $3 or more. We've got these garden characters. There's like frogs, turtles, some little beetles and bumblebees, the Hello Spring signs. They also have some that look like little bicycles that say welcome. These are like a hanging flower, garden stake. They have those in yellow, pink, purple, and blue. Also, these rolling plastic plant stands. They're quite large. They have the caster wheels on the bottom. They are plastic, but it's a thick plastic. And you can see how many different colors they come in. We've got the solid black, kind of like a matte finish. They also have the silver with the black kind of undertones. There's a bronze and a gold. So very pretty. Lots of different plant stands. Also, they've got the potting mix by Miracle Grow. That's the extra large bag. Some different Easter bunnies. If you look, some of those bunnies don't have dots on the Easter eggs, so make sure you check those out before you purchase one. These aluminum signs for the yard. Super cute. Lots of plush pillows like the carrots. They had one that looks like a little bunny. And then we've got the Peep and his little Easter egg. I believe these are $6, though they could be $7. I can't quite remember. We also have some bunnies that look like little macaroon cookies. You've got the blue and green or the pink and purple with the bunny ears. Some cupcakes. Those also have the bunny ears at the top. You got the pink or the blue. This one's winking at us. They have the Easter doormats. This one says Easter blessing. There's also Happy Easter. And these are those real heavy ones that won't blow away. They also have Hoppy Easter. Hoppy Spring. And then we've got the Easter garland. These were still $5. You've got the buffalo plaid and all the different colors, little bunnies. And I always love these extra large stuffed door hangers with the bunnies. They have the 24-inch stacking eggs. These are now $7. They were $5 last year. We get 3 of them. They stack. And we've got the inflatable plugins. These are 4 feet tall, but because they light up, they are $20. So just be mindful of that. They do still have some. They're like $6. Those do not light up. So make sure if you see the LED ones, you're going to pay a lot more for those at the register. We've also got these LED bubble wands. Those are $5 each. Some fun little baskets of like cooking, little food sliceable. So, they kind of like Velcro together. It looks like you can slice them, which is fun for the kids for realistic play. They had some Barbies out as well. And then we've got this one here in the little blue dress. And then this one with her springtime dress on in the orange and pink. We also found these sparkly axolotls. It's like a squishy style toy. They had a couple different colors of these, and they're kind of like a glitter iridescent finish on the inside. We've got extra large stuffies. I love this little monkey here with his banana. They also have this monkey. These are $5 each. They have a lion. And then my favorite's always the elephant. I think it's so cute. My son used to call these foo-foos when he was little. He couldn't say elephant. He just turned 22 this week, so that's a cute memory. Then we've also got these extra large duckies for $5. I always think these are super cute. I love the extra large ones. They had some SpongeBob SquarePants toys. This one is the Ferris wheel. And then they have the Clove boat, which is like the big boat you see at like the different like amusement parks. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And you can follow us at Rebecca Stu and the Crew, not just on YouTube, but you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.